You're watching this video, maybe you or your loved ones are suffering from COVID-19 infection and have been advised home quarantine due to mild symptoms. As per advisory and guidelines from Government of India, Ministry of Health, patients with mild COVID infection can be managed at home only with symptomatic control, medication and with proper care. We know that COVID-19, 70 to 80% infections will be mild. You will get better within few days to few weeks time. Your doctor will give you the best treatment which will take care of the symptoms and help you get better fast. Here we are talking about few other aspects which will enhance your speedy recovery. First and foremost is that take proper rest, but do maintain a daily routine. Get up on time, shower once or twice daily, change your clothes daily and maintain a level of activity. Move about 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times in your room every day. This will keep you chirpy, it will keep you refreshed, also it will keep the circulation in your legs going and will prevent the chances of deep vein thrombosis, which can happen because of prolonged resting. Another important thing is diet. The diet should be easy to digest but should have all the required nutrients. The importance of liquids and water cannot be overemphasized. Have about 3 to 4 liters of liquids, warm water, tea, coffee, milk, etc. In the diet, you should have all the nutrients like cereals, protein and fruits. Fruits which are rich in vitamin C, like all citric fruits and seasonal fruits, will be very helpful for your recovery. Also, you can have turmeric, ginger, honey, giloy, these things in your diet as a supplement to your nutritional food requirements as well as to boost your immunity. During COVID-19 infection, the main organ which takes the brunt is your lungs. So to keep your lungs in good shape, you can do 2 things. One is that try to lie down on your tummy. Lying down on the stomach will improve and open up your lungs in the back of the chest where most of the part of the lung is lying. So it will improve the oxygenation. So while resting, put some pillows underneath, make yourself comfortable and lie down on your tummy. But be careful you do not do it immediately after eating food. Secondly, by doing some deep breathing exercise. That can be done with the help of a spirometer, or you can take help of normal birthday balloons. Blow into the balloons for good 3 breaths and then hold it for some time, and then you can exhale, take out the breath very gradually. It will keep your lungs in good shape and function and it will improve the oxygenation. Because of COVID-19 infection, your throat may feel scratchy, irritated and sometimes even pain. To relieve the pain and improve the irritation and also to reduce the viral load into your throat secretions, it is very important to gargle 3 times a day after eating your food. So you can do gargle with normal salty water or you can make a betadine solution. Betadine is a good antiseptic as well as it's a good antiviral medication. Make a solution of 1:3 dilutions betadine and lukewarm water. Gargle it for good 1 minute by watch and then do not eat and drink for 15 to 20 minutes after that. It will soothe your throat, reduce the viral load and helps in fast recovery. Mental health is equally important in COVID-19 infection. For a speedy recovery, please do not panic. That is the worst you can do. Stay very positive. Stay away from negativity. Don't watch too much of negative news on television. Rather, invest your time in resting, reading good books, listen to good music, and if time permits, connect with your friends through phone and video chat. Keep positivity around you. Do not panic at all. This will help very much in your speedy recovery. When you are looking after yourself at home, you need few equipments. One is a small equipment which is called a pulse oximeter. This is used to measure your pulse rate and oxygen in your blood. Thermometer, this is an infrared thermometer, but you can use a conventional thermometer, and a blood pressure apparatus if there is any. Keep a record of your symptoms as well as your temperature and oxygen saturation. at least 2 to 3 times a day. The doctor and nurses looking after your health in home quarantine will be benefited by this, and it will help them take the right decision regarding your health. I would like to elaborate upon little bit on the pulse oximeter. There should not be any nail paint on the fingers, and the nails should not be broken. Use a finger which fits just right into the pulse oximeter, neither too big or not too small. You can use accordingly. So you just have to put finger nicely into the pulse oximeter and then just switch it on. Keep it steady, keep it on a firm surface. The hand should not be tremoring, and give it few seconds to stabilize. Once you see a good pulse form, then you record the reading, not the initial readings. So once the oxygen saturation stabilizes, that is the reading which you check. There are few warning symptoms when you're looking after yourself at home. The warning symptoms are high-grade persistent fever beyond 3 days, oxygen saturation less than 95% on room air, blood pressure going low, the upper one, the systolic blood pressure less than 80, not able to eat or feeling dehydrated and having very dark colored urine, severe abdominal pain or any confusional state. In any of the above conditions, please connect to your doctor immediately. Hypochlorite is a very good disinfectant for surfaces. Take care of few things which you should not do. Do not leave your room and house unless it is necessary for medical reasons only. Do not discontinue home quarantine unless you are advised to by the doctor. Do not share your toothbrush, toothpaste, towel, clothes, bed sheets and eating utensils. The utensils can be cleaned in your room by you or by somebody by wearing gloves and face mask with warm water. Everybody take care, stay strong and get well really soon. Thank you.